What's up, guys? We're going to do another quick video today. I'm going to show you all how to fix the dash cluster, and I think it's like 99 to 04 maybe honestly later than that, because GM reuses a lot of parts. So but the odometer does not light up, and neither does the Prndl, and that's what we're going to fix. I'll show you guys real quick. So as you can see, it does not light up currently, so we're going to go ahead and pop this dash out, pop this cluster out, and I'll take it inside and show you guys how to solder it back together. These dashes are actually really easy to take out. This pops off, you lower your steering wheel down, you move your gear shifter down, you can pull it all the way off, and then the cluster will just pop right out. As you can see, we pull that down, it literally just pulls straight back and it'll come off there. Mine's a little messed up, so it's not as tight as yours will probably be. But some of these trucks have also been through before, so yours could also be messed up as well. But on to the next step. After you get that piece off, you got a bolt there, a bolt there, a bolt there, and one down in here. And then it'll come out. Once you get the 4 7mm out, the cluster's loose. Again, make sure your gear shifter's all the way down so you can just pull it right out. And then you got the connectors to undo, and you'll be good to go. Once you take all those bolts out, there's your connector that you got to get out. Squeeze it, wiggle it, it'll come out. And then you can take it apart with these tabs here. It's fairly easy to take apart. And once we get inside, I will show you where the problem area lies and how to fix it. Our first step is going to be to take the LCD screen off. So we're going to desolder all these pins here, and then we're going to look over the inside of it, solder everything that needs to be resoldered. Probably just resolder everything just in case, and then put it back in the board, and then we'll put it back in the casing and then take it to the truck and test it. Now we got our cluster out on the table. Our next step is going to be to take this LCD out and see if we see any obvious signs of damage or anything underneath it. This LCD should still be good because it works every now and then. So I assume it's a bad connection or something inside of here, but we'll take it apart and look and see. So if you look there, you can see that crack or that hole. That shouldn't be there. And then I can see a crack along the legs up here. So I'm going to reflow all of these, reflow that, and then I'm also going to reflow this stuff because it doesn't look very good. And hopefully that'll take care of the issue. It also took a lot of patience and time to desolder that from there, by the way, so that's also going to be fun. Good luck with that. I don't have an actual soldering wick, but I used a piece of copper wire and some flux to wick most of it up, and then kind of just worked it out with my soldering iron. A lot of people will just bend these pins right here, and that just does not sit well with me, so that's what we did. We got all that soldered. Now we just need to clean up all the flux with alcohol and cotton swabs, and then put it back in its place in here, and then clean this up, and then take it back out to the truck after we solder it and test it. Alright, we got that clipped back in place, soldered back up. We're going to take it out to the truck, and we're going to pop it back in its case first, and then take it out to the truck and test it. There you go, the Prndl now works. We're good to go. Now we just need to pop everything back in place, put our bolts back in there, and we'll be good to go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more videos on car repairs. Let's go.